Hey folks, I have another instrument from the box of broken dreams in the corner. This is a box of broken ukes I got this last year that I've been repairing and passing on to you folks. And I'm mainly using it as an opportunity to learn repair techniques and practice and to get some broken things back into the world. In this case, it's another Chicago-made soprano ukulele that's copying Hawaiian ideas of the time. And in this case, it says Slingerland on the inside. Slingerland is a Chicago company that made banjos, banjo ukes, drums, some guitars, things like that. And they made all those banjo ukes that say Maybell. That's one of their brand names. It's kind of up in the air about if they manufactured all of their instruments or only some of them, or if they're just a distributor for other people's builds. It's kind of hard to say. But in this case, there's things about it that are like the Supertone, Harmony, and Regal instruments we've been looking at lately, and things that are a little different. But either way, it's pretty cool. So it's a koa body with rope binding. Soprano, but it's pretty deep. And then it's got a Spanish cedar neck, and it's got a very pronounced V shape, which we don't see I didn't see on the other ones we've been working on lately. It has like the fancy kind of fiddle cut headstock, but it's narrower than the other ones we've seen. It's pretty cool. So what did I have to do with it? I had to spline and brace this back crack here. It's tight now. And I had to re-glue lots of pieces of rope binding. I had to glue the neck back on, put a 12th fret in, make a new nut and new rosewood pegs. And then just generally clean it up and add some French polish, some shellac to kind of blend it all together. Like a lot of these, the A string slot was kind of worn out, so I just have a bead on the end of the A string, and that keeps it in very easily. And yeah, this would have been a catalog style instrument. This would be like a $7 or $8 instrument in the late teens or early 20s, kind of going for the Hawaiian music craze. But it's pretty cool. So I'm going to pass this on to our waiting list, our email list of people who want repaired instruments from me. I think it's actually got a pretty mellow tone compared to some of the other ones at the time. It's not quite so bright. So yeah, I like it. Little Slingerland. Back in the world. You can see the label there. It's got kind of like Hawaiian stuff on it, as you would expect. Definitely trying to capitalize on the craze for Hawaiian music at this time. Okay, cheers.